children, welcome back to my class. Children, we are on the phonics class and my topic is family words. Did you all remember in our previous class we have learned the family words by forming with the help of phonic sounds, which was AB, am, AG, ag, am. With the help of these three phonic sounds, we have formed some family words. So, today we will form these family words again. So, children, let us start our activity. So, children, let's start. Now, I will arrange some pictures with the family words of AB sound, AG sound and AM sound. Okay. So now let us arrange. See, I have arranged this lab. Did you all remember? I have arranged this lab. This one is, can you tell me? This one is sag. Yes. And this one is ham. What it is? Ham. Did you all remember? So this one is lab, this one is sag and this one is ham. What it is? Ham. So now let us form this family words with the help of flashcards. Okay. So now we will first arrange the flashcards of lab sound. Okay. So now we will arrange the family words of lab sound. Okay. So now let us arrange. So what will come? What I will take the flashcard L, isn't it? So I will take the flashcards of L. See, I have with me this L flashcard and AB phonic sound. And what we are going to learn today is lab, right? What it is? Lab. So now we will learn to spell it again with the help of phonic sound. So what it is? L. So now tell me, what is the phonic sound of L? It is L. Okay. So L, A, B. Lab. L, A, B. Lab. Okay. I hope you all have understood. So now let us see. Now see, here it is sag. Yes. So now let us arrange the AG sound. Okay. So now let us arrange the AG sound. See, I have with me this AG, ag. So what is the spelling of sag? It was S-A-G. So now let us arrange this flashcard. S. And now tell me, what is the phonic sound of S? It is S, A, G. Sag. S, A, G. Sag. Okay. So now next is, what picture is this? Ham. Okay. So now let us arrange the AM phonic sound. Okay. What we will arrange? The AM phonic sound. So children, can you all see, here it is AM. Okay. So what is the spelling of ham is? H-A-M. So now let us arrange this H flashcard. Okay. So now spell. What is the phonic sound of H is? Ha. Ha. a, ham. H, a, ham. Okay. So children, I hope you all have understood. So now let us again make some words with A-B phonic sound. So now I have with me again some pictures, and then with these pictures we are going to arrange some family words. Okay. So children, can you all tell me what it is? Yes, it is tab. What it is? Tab. Can you tell me what it is? It is dam. What it is? It is dam. Can you all tell me what it is? Yes, tell me what it is. Tag. What it is? Tag. So now let us arrange the word. Okay? So now let us arrange the words of AB family words. So what it is written here? T. So now we will arrange the flashcards of T. Okay? Now see, I have arranged the flashcard of T. And now tell me, what is the phonic sound of T? It's ta. The phonic sound of T is ta. And what is the phonic sound of A and B? Can you all tell me? Yes, it is A and it is ba. So now let us spell it again. It is ta, a, ba. Tab. Ta, a, ba. Tab. I hope you all have understood. So now let us arrange the flashcards of AG phonic sound. So what I have told you? Can you all tell me what it is? Yes, tell me what it is. It is tag. What it is? Tag. Yes, and what is written here? It is T. So now let us arrange the flashcards of T. I have arranged the flashcards of T. And now spell with me. Ta, a, g. Tag. Ta, a, g. Tag.